What if your next sunset happened right here on your very own rooftop terrace here on Ambergris Caye, Belize? Welcome to Coco Bay Unit number 3, a fully furnished, ready to move in waterfront condo here in Tres Cocos. Tres Cocos is known for its warm residential feel, home to nice hotels like Grand Caribe, Sunset Caribe, Styles, and also larger single-family homes. This is where people want to be. You're just minutes from the heart of downtown San Pedro, yet within walking distance to many favorite hotspots here on the island, including Crocs Sunset Sports Bar, which is right next door, Truck Stop, the Farmhouse, Marbucks, Rum Dog, and a handful of other locations that many people have come to make a destination. Inside unit number 3, the space is bright, clean, and move-in ready. Coco Bay is a small 10-unit condo community offering a swimming pool with incredible views, easy parking, and it's outside the chaos of a large resort. Whether you're looking for a property to live in full-time, visit as you please, or offer as a long-term rental, this is the perfect solution for a low-maintenance property. But the real showstopper, it's this rooftop terrace. This is your private retreat. Already equipped with 2 hammocks, this is the ideal place to start your morning with a cup of coffee or perhaps unwind with a cold beverage overlooking the sunset. At under $200,000, Coco Bay Unit number 3 gives you comfort, convenience, and that island lifestyle that everyone dreams about without the luxury price tag. If you're looking for a starter property or perhaps a relocation home here in Belize, this is worth a look at. Reach out to us at Realty Belize anytime for a showing or for additional details. Bye everyone.